The Austins have decided to put a paved walkway of uniform width around their swimming pool. The pool is rectangular that measures 12 feet by 20 feet. The area of the walkway will be 68 square feet. Find the width of the walkway. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to make a pool that's 12 by 20. So here's my pool, and that's going to be 12 feet by 20 feet. Now what we're trying to find is the width of the walkway around the pool. So the area inside the pool is going to be 12 times 20, which is 240. So that's the area inside the pool. The area of the walkway is 68. That's what's given to me. So this area is going to be 68. So if I want the total area of the whole thing, the total area is going to be 68 plus 240, and that's going to be 308. So my total area is 308. So now, if you remember, to find area is going to be length times width. Well, let's look at the length. Let's say my length goes this way. Well, I'm going to have x plus 20 plus x. So my length is going to be 20 plus 2x. And then my width is going to go this way. So I'm going to have x and 12 and x. So my width is going to be 12 plus 2x. So if I have my length times my width, that's going to be 308. Now you need to work on solving this. I'm going to go ahead and multiply everything out. 20 times 12 is 240. 20 times 2x is 40x. 2x times 12 is 24x, and 2x times 2x is 4x squared, and that all equals 308. Now I need to put this into standard form. So I'm going to take the 4x squared, put that first, then my x's, which is going to be 64x, plus 240 equals 308. Now, to solve this, I need to set it equal to 0. So if I subtract 308 from both sides, I get 4x squared plus 64 minus 68 equals 0. Now I need to do the quadratic formula. So I'm going to have my a is equal to 4, my b is equal to 64, and my c is equal to negative 68. So x equals negative b plus or minus the square root, b squared minus 4ac divided by 2 times a. So now I'm going to start simplifying. This part is going to be x equals negative 64. If I put everything in the square root in my calculator, I'm going to get plus or minus 72. And then the bottom part is going to be equal to 8. Now I need to have the positive and the negative. So I'm going to have x equals negative 64 plus 72 divided by 8, and x equals negative 64 minus 72 divided by 8. To simplify both of these, negative 64 plus 72 is 8, so 8 divided by 8 is going to be 1. And for the second equation, negative 64 minus 72 is negative 136, and negative 136 divided by 8 is going to be negative 17. Now the question is, which one of these is going to be the width of the pool? Well, width cannot be negative. So that means the negative 17 is out. So the width around the pool is going to be 1 foot.